Hi guys, I am like bouncing with excitement because I just got home from work, so excuse my been working all day hair. This is awesome. Anyway, but just got home from work and I'm super excited because there was a package waiting for me and I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys from Morphe. Yay! I actually don't have anything from them. This is my very first product purchase, but I've heard amazing things, so it's just gonna be a quick video, hopefully, because hopefully I keep the rambling to a minimum. So, here's the first thing. I figured I wouldn't leave them with all the packing peanuts because it's just a mess, and so I already took them out of the original box, but you didn't really need to see my address on the front of it anyway. But here they are. This is the 6-piece deluxe contouring set, and this is a new item. Oh. So let's do a little first impression here. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I can tell I'm already gonna love these. So, little pointed tip. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. It's ridiculous. Nice, firm for contouring, right, hairline, your nose and stuff. It's kind of big, but I'm sure I'll find a use for that. Oh, here's a little angled brush. That's nice. Those cheekbones. Can you tell how excited I am about this? The girls at the salon, when I have stuff shipped there, they think I'm nuts when I'm this excited, but I just love makeup. This might actually make a really good foundation brush. It's really firm. I'm definitely pushing on that, and it's got a lot of resistance and bounce. Little pointed brush for those little areas like your nose and around the eyes and under the chin and all that. And these I'll probably end up using as eye brushes because they're fabulous. This is a really good crease brush because it's got a little more movement to it. And this one's slightly angled too. So cute. I'm so excited about these. Maybe I'll take them to work with me tomorrow because I have a makeup client tomorrow. Yay! Yay for contouring brushes. I'll do an update in one of my later videos and let you know how I like these after actually using them. But awesome, it comes not in a super nice case, but in a case I can store them in for now. Okay, so those are the brushes I ordered. I only ordered the one set, and those were, I don't have a total on this piece of paper. I don't know how much they were, but I remember that they were pretty cheap and they were new and I just had to have them, so. Yay! Oh no, this is gonna be one of those moments where I can't open it and then I have to run into the other room and edit it out because the tape is too hard. Oh, this thing. I am so excited right now. Okay, what's this one? I'm really happy that everything is triple bubble wrap because I hate it when things come broken. So this is the outside of the case, nice and slim. This will stack nice. Okay, I believe this one is the 35W color warm palette. So pretty. Oh, I'm so excited about this. do a couple swatches just because I can't help myself. Roll up my sleeve a little bit here. Let's swatch this pink color. Oh, the payoff is fabulous. I'm so happy I ordered these. That one is unreal. Oh. Maybe I should have done this on my other arm. Can you? No. Why can't I figure out how to move my arm in the right direction? Okay. So I swatched that pink color, but this bronzy color is like life. It's life. On that finger right there. I just can't wait to do like so many tutorials for you guys with these. I'm just so happy right now. So that's the warm, I think it was like warm neutrals or something, but warm palette. And open this bad boy. And this one's gonna be the Colored Smoky Eye palette. Woo! Oh, I can probably face that back. So here's the outside of this one, exactly like the other one. Except for now I just got some makeup on it. Sorry. Oh, I love it. I'm in love. Oh, there's plastic on it. Super big glare. Oh man. You guys ever do that? Like try to get something off the top of your palette and you totally ding one of your colors? Because I just did that. This is seriously pretty. There's a really bright yellow color in here, and I know bright yellows are like really hard to get good payoff with, so I'm gonna swatch that one because that's the one that's always like, oh man. So let's see. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Let's do this hot pink color too. Why am I so retarded with this right now? Okay. So that yellow swatch pretty good. It's more of a buttery yellow on my skin tone than it looks in the palette. It's that color. This, okay, for some reason on camera, this looks like a buttery yellow, but it's really more of a canary yellow in person. I'm just so excited. My new babies. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing. And like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff from me. Comment below on like what kind of stuff you'd like to see swatched and unboxed or reviews, so you know if it's worth your money or not. I think both of these palettes were like $19.95 if I'm not mistaken, and that's like an amazing price for the amount of shadows you get. These shadows individually are $2. $2. Just let that sink in for a second. $2. Anyway, so more videos to come featuring these babies. Alright, I'm gonna go have dinner now because I literally came in the door, grabbed this, came in my room, and turned on the camera and started filming. You're welcome. Good night, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.